Alrighty, so like I said, I'll be on that number 1 cone helping to marshal, but I'll be running back and forth to make sure we're going smooth. Kyle Becker's going to be hopping on the mic for me. We're going 6 minutes at the tone. Up next, race number 9. So Tanner Spear, go get your mother. So Tanner, go get your mom. You're up next. Alrighty, so Kyle, double parking. What an amateur. I'll be on the mic for this one. You might help me out, Cash? Quad. Clear. Cash is gonna hop up on that top spot for me. $45 down. 5:15 left to go. I'll be mobbing back and forth too, Mason, so you got the sweeper, I got down here. I still got a little bit of quickness left in me.
5 minutes left.
Caution on the quad, go wide. Clear. Right now it's Manuel Aguilar with a sizable lead up on Phil Fernandez. But nothing too crazy. Oh, caution in this double. It's Emilio upside down. He gets back up and going. So current running order is Manuel, Phil, Michael. Caution on the quad, caution on the quad. Coming up on 2 down, 4 to go. 2 down, 4 to go. Manuel, Phil, Michael, John, you're 1, 2, 3, and 4. Justin in the 5, Emilio in the 6. Plenty of time in this one. 2 down, 4 to go.
4 minutes left.
Throw it back to Kyle Becky. Watch a quad, right in the middle of the quad. Clear.
Push the down on the servo. On the receiver. Push the wires down, there it is.
Top of the quad. Clear. Alright, let's check back in with a race. Here we go. Phil Hernandez in first. Daniel in second. Michael Schnapp in third. Justin Schnapp in fourth. John Schnapp in fifth. Emilio Cuervo in 6th. Our fast lap on the track is going to be from Manny Aguilar with a 23.2.
3 minutes left.
That's why it's dipping. Fix it.
Manny is currently 14 seconds behind lead. Michael is 19 seconds behind lead. And Justin is 32 seconds behind the lead.
Pick it up. One more time. It's out. Pull it out. Pull it out.
Watch a quad. Go low in the quad.
Just pull it off. Manny, come on. Let's go. Do the triple.
Watch after the sweeper coming to the finish line. Clear. Alright, let's check back in with a race here. We got Phil standing 33 seconds ahead of second place. Amazing run for him tonight. The positions are going to be Phil in first, Justin in second, John in third, Manny in fourth, Michael in fifth, and Nero Cuervo in sixth. We have approximately 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Drivers, 1 minute and 30 seconds left.
Did it. Missed it. I saw it, bro. I saw it. I knew that was the power to do that.
John Smith and Manny going to make a switch.
Good motor, people. So far, it may look like it was a 2-3.
Patrick Hitter coming across the line right there. Fourth behind him.
No, 13-5.
1 minute
Very
left.
good in the quad, drivers. Very good. Watch a quad, watch a quad, watch a quad. Blaine in command.
45 seconds left.
Currently, Manny is 2 seconds behind Justin. Keep it going, Manny.
30 seconds left.
30 seconds left. Let's go, drivers. Give it all you got. Put it on the track or put it on the box.
15 seconds left.
10 seconds left, drivers. 10 seconds. Watch the quad. Phil Hernandez coming across the quad right now. It looks like
Phil Fernandez done.
yes, Manny and Justin. Manny and Justin.
Justin Schnepp done.
Now 13 seconds. Watch the quad, guys. Watch the quad.
John Schnepp done.
Keep going, Manny. Keep going. Manny with that fast lap.
Peppa done.
2.7 in a city yard truck.